When it comes to music that touches the soul and moves the spirit, few genres can compare to the raw emotion and captivating melodies of blues. Originating in African American communities in the Deep South during the late 19th century, this genre has evolved into an influential force that has left its mark on music history. From its roots in Mississippi Delta blues to its expansion into urban centers like Chicago and Texas, blues continues to captivate audiences worldwide. If you've ever found yourself yearning for a musical experience that speaks directly to your emotions, then exploring the secrets behind blues in Chicago, Texas, and beyond is a journey you won't want to miss. In this article, we will delve deep into what makes these regions so special when it comes to preserving and evolving this timeless genre. The soulful streets of Chicago. Chicago is often hailed as one of the birthplaces of modern electric blues. With legendary figures such as Muddy Waters and Howlin' Wolf calling this city home during their careers, it's no wonder that Chicago became a hub for blues musicians seeking fame and recognition. The gritty streets of neighborhoods like Bronzeville were filled with smoky clubs where performers poured their heart out through their guitars. Visiting iconic venues like Buddy Guy's Legends or Kingston Mines allows you to immerse yourself in an atmosphere dripping with history. Feel your troubles melt away as talented musicians take center stage, delivering electrifying performances that transport you back in time while also showcasing how contemporary artists have shaped the sound of today's blues scene. The Lone Star State's blues legacy. Texas may be known for its country music roots, but don't overlook its rich contribution to blues history. From Blind Lemon Jefferson's haunting acoustic tunes from Dallas streets to Stevie Ray Vaughan's blistering guitar solos from Austin stages, there is something uniquely Texan about the blues. Explore the vibrant music scene in Austin, often referred to as the live music capital of the world. With its numerous blues clubs and festivals like Antone's and Austin City Limits, you'll find yourself surrounded by talented musicians who effortlessly blend traditional blues with modern influences. Beyond borders, blues goes global. Blues has transcended geographical boundaries and found a home in unexpected corners of the world. From Europe to Japan, passionate musicians have embraced this genre and added their own unique flavors to create something truly special. In countries like France and Sweden, artists have formed bands dedicated solely to playing authentic American-style blues. These international acts pay homage to their idols while infusing their own cultural experiences into each note they play. Attend a blues festival abroad or explore local venues featuring international talent. You'll be amazed at how far-reaching this genre has become. The healing power of blues. Beyond its captivating melodies and soul-stirring lyrics, there is an undeniable therapeutic quality embedded within blues music. It speaks directly to our emotions, offering solace during difficult times or providing an outlet for expressing joyous moments. Listening to blues can be cathartic, allowing us to process our feelings in a way that few other genres can achieve. Research has shown that listening to music releases dopamine in the brain, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. So why not indulge yourself in some feel-good tunes? Whether it's through attending live performances or creating your personalized playlist, let the healing power of blues wash over you. In conclusion, exploring the secrets behind Chicago's electric atmosphere, Texas's unique contribution, and witnessing how far-reaching this genre has become globally will undoubtedly leave you captivated by the magic of blues music. Through its rich history rooted in African American communities combined with contemporary influences from around the world, it continues to evolve while staying true to its emotional core. So take a leap into the world of blues, and let its blissful melodies unleash a newfound appreciation for this timeless genre. Whether you find yourself swaying to the rhythm in Chicago's iconic clubs, experiencing the Texan blues legacy firsthand, or discovering international acts that put their own spin on this music, there is a blues experience waiting for everyone. Let your soul be moved and your spirit uplifted as you uncover the secrets behind Chicago, Texas, and beyond.